This might be the block of the year.
That looks personal.
We got to be quicker. When they step in, then you can get wide and go around. Let's just be quicker. We're doing man on.
Stretch my hands to you.
Life like, this is what your life like. Try to live the life right. People really know you push your buttons like type right. This is like a movie, but it's really very lifelike. Every single night, right? Every single fight, right? I was looking at the gram and I don't even like lights. I was screaming at my daddy, told me it ain't Christ-like. I was screaming at the referee, just like Mike.
Under 2 minutes to go.
Buzz on the video, wow.
It's
We can't. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Hello, people. I want to take a nap.
It's Jilly. Yeah.
That was good.
Ready.
I want about $50 bus money back. Yeah, I don't know. It's
I've been the fun shot guy when you say me for falling. It's another you wake up my way. Yeah, for be darling.
Yes, Amanda. They say the best of
I didn't mean everything and I'm talking. I remember your love.
How we do it? Welcome to camp, man. Boy, Simba with the drill. Alarm. Be like, what happened, man?
Yeah, there was a good game over there. There was basketball on this field and then volleyball over there.
Yeah.
And because of the wind, everybody had to leave.
Everybody
That
running.
is so sad.
Wow.
When Blessed Mercy was about to
Win the whole
okay,
thing.
we won our first basketball game. Volleyball was very good. 15 against 15. What do you think about the win? Is it a blessing? Even though, because we have to see the good part in everything, right? So we bless God. Highly favored. So we fueled Camp 2022. Mes frères Élysée. Après tes chaises, après ta prière. Président derrière président. Bon, nous prenons aller.
Avec Jésus, non m'a passé. C'est pour la vie, fait gros et pas. Au nom de Jésus, faut me camper. C'est pour me témoigner, pour m'étonner, pour me
fire inside of you. God can utilize you. You have the fire, but for some reason, next weekend you're gonna catch a flat tire again. Last week you had another one, and you keep breaking down.
To baptize you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
We got an interview. How do you feel about the win?
I feel great. I feel blessed. I'll be with the guy. I'll be with the guy.
The keyboard, the teaching that I do, the preaching, the singing has become part of my obligation, not because I feel it, not because I have to give, but I'm empty on the inside. But one thing is certain, eventually when the car runs out of gas, it will stop. Regardless of your obligations, regardless of your responsibilities, regardless of who is relying on you, regardless of who's going to talk if you don't do it, if you don't refuel, it will stop.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you.
real lick,
when
yo.
I see
Yes.
you again.
Listen. You know what perform next year? You got I don't know, a combination of a drama, line, step.
I am sad that we do have to leave. I wanted to stay another 2 or 3 days. You know. But it is what it is. Let's go back to the real world and make a difference. I mean,
Ne mwen kote ouble, même le mwen patavle, wa fem chan ouble, même le mwen pavle, wa krasi mwen. Wa fè mwen jan ouble, wa fè m jan ouble, mèm le mwen pa vle, wa pousse mwen, wa fè mwen jan